If you have ever stared at your retirement account and thought, I'm gonna have to work till the day I die, this video is for you. Hello, my name is Lynn. I am 56 and I used to be that way too. I used to stare at my retirement account and think, I'm never gonna make it to retirement. I'm gonna have to work until I die. Or I used to joke about, I used to joke about saying that, and then I thought, well, maybe I'll remarry and I won't have to worry about it. Maybe my husband will take care of, the retirement for me. And these were honest things that I actually really, I really did think about, right? And I want to share with you what I did to change that space. Because last year I got into the making money online space, went to TikTok and got into digital marketing for a little while, right? Did that for a little bit, didn't really have a whole lot of success. Went into the memberships, the $10 monthly membership, Live Good, Save Club, freaking did phenomenal with those, right? That's where I found my confidence level and was able to really start communicating with people. I was very successful with that. But things started happening. The universe was kind of trying to tell me that I needed to do something different. And that's when this opportunity with High Ticket Purpose came in front of me, right? And what I loved about this is it wasn't another digital marketing course. It was a completely done for me business in a box, basically. And I loved that. And so I hopped in. I didn't know what to expect. And I had success right away. So what High Ticket Purpose is, it is a completely done for you business system in a box. Okay. Everything is done for you. Your automations are done for you. Your funnels are done for you. Your email campaigns are written for you. Even your content is done for you, right? And your emails are done for you for life. That's unheard of, right? I never have to write a single freaking email campaign again. I'm so happy about that. If you have been in digital marketing and you have, those live webinars that come every week and you're like, oh, I have to get my email, I have to write an email, I have to write an email list or whatever. And then you have to figure out every week what email you want to write, to attract your buyers, basically. I don't have to do those, right? These are done for you, and these are highly converting emails. They're so good because Kendra, the creator of High Ticket Purpose, she's a badass. She's smart as hell, and she knows her stuff. She's been working with people like big top celebrities, 6-figure, 7-figure, even 8-figure earners. She's built websites. She's built this exact system she has built for people, for companies that are making buku dollars. Do you know how many buku dollars that is? It's a lot. But anyway, what I want to say is that what do you do with this system once you have it? You resell it, okay? You can do so much more. I resell it. That's all I do, right? And for a commission. So that this is affiliate. It's an affiliate digital marketing, basically. And so you sell it for a commission. When you make a sale, when you resell this done for you business system, you make a $600 commission. But it doesn't stop there, okay? When your people that you sold to make a sale, you make a commission off of them too. And this goes 3 layers. So it goes 2 layers deep right now. But come September 8th, which is just in a few days from now, it's going to go 3 layers, okay? So $600 commissions when you make a sale, $100 when the people that you sold to make a sale, and another $100 when those people make a sale. No, this is not a pyramid scheme or whatever, so get that out of your head. It stops right there, okay? There's no pyramid scheme. This is not an MLM either. There's no recruiting. I'm just telling you right now that that's not what this is, okay? So that's the commissions that you make when you resell the business system. But then there's also going to be monthly reoccurring income on the software. Right now, the software is $57 a month. But once Elevate launches on September 8th, that price is going away. If you're lucky enough to get in before the 8th, you can be grandfathered in at the $57 a month, okay? But after September 8th, the software goes to $97. But the benefit of that is that you're going to make an income 3 tiers deep off the software, okay? So when you bring somebody else in, okay? Your name is Susie and you bring in Betty, okay? You make a $600 commission off of Betty, right? But then Betty wants the software, okay? So she pays her $97. You're gonna make a $30 commission off the software. And this is monthly, reoccurring. As long as Betty is making her payment every month, you're making a reoccurring monthly payment of that $30 a month. But then let's say Betty goes and sells to Mary, okay? You're going to make $10 off of Mary's software, okay? So then you've got Susie's 30 and Mary's 10. That's $40 a month that you're going to make. But it still doesn't stop there. When Mary goes and sells to Bob, you're going to make $5 off of his software, okay? It's 3 tiers, you guys. Your income your potential for a lot of income has just grown substantially with when Elevate launches. I'm telling you, this is going to be a game changer in this space, okay? But I'm not even done telling you all the freaking fantastic things that are coming up, okay? We're also going to each have a marketplace in our website. This marketplace is going to house like top-notch digital products from people that are in the 1%. I mean, they're up here with their digital products. Did we have to purchase these products? No, but they are in our marketplace and we're going to make a 50% commission off of them when somebody purchases from our marketplace. I'm telling you guys, that is unheard of. I'm super excited about it. If we decide we want to purchase something out of that marketplace, we will get a huge discount as well. So that is something also that's amazing coming up. Okay, something else. If you are a Christian, there's going to be 3 different communities involved with High Ticket Purpose. There's going to be the general community for everybody, okay? But if you are a faith-based Christian and you like that, there's going to be a kingdom-based community for that. So even if you're not a Christian, that stuff's not going to be in your face. They don't ever want to, want you to feel uncomfortable, whatever. And that'll be a separate community. And then we're also going to have a Spanish community, okay? This is going to be amazing for people that speak Spanish and read Spanish. It'll all be in Spanish. It'll be amazing. So 3 different communities. And I'm telling you right now, the community is it's freaking amazing, okay? You come for the product, you stay because of the community. You stay because it's a family. We are a big family in here. And I think it's because I love the fact that they have that 3-tier payment structure, because you're not just going to grab somebody's money and then block them or leave them alone. You're going to want them to succeed. I want everybody that has purchased under me to succeed. They all have my phone number. We talk daily, weekly. We talk all the time. I want them to succeed because when they do, I do, right? To get more information on High Ticket Purpose, I'm going to pin the link to the website so that you can get all the information below. And I hope that I hear from you soon.